Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aquarius, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, Aquarius, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have after this general energy. So let's see what are these cards here. We have Five of Cups, the Empress in reverse and Two of Cups in reverse. So in your situation, Aquarius, it may be in your work situation or in your relationship. Today you are really emotional, worried about some things that you have lost in your life today. Maybe there has been some drastic changes. It may be in your relationship. Something has gone wrong. Maybe some mistakes you did, or it may be someone's mistakes, and you have lost. Maybe this person has left you, or you have lost something in your work, and you're brooding over that, brooding over what you lost. And maybe you are not ready to see what is there right in front of you, guys. Maybe there is some kind of an offer or opportunity waiting for you, but you are not aware of it. Maybe if it is something in your work, there are some collaborations or partnerships, some kind of an opportunity that is giving you more success and taking you towards success. So those opportunities are waiting for you, guys, but you are not aware of it because you are still thinking of the past. So what happened, and what is the reason for that, and you're brooding. You just want to make changes in your past, but it is not possible, guys. So you need to be present, guys. See what is there right in front of you. And I also see that it may be in your personal life too. There is someone interested in you, coming towards you. They want marriage with you, but you are not aware of their intentions because you are still thinking of that past, guys. Something happened, but maybe you are not having that clarity, guys. That may be the reason you are brooding over your past incidents. But today you are also getting that clarity, guys. So your past secret, maybe their past secret, is being revealed to you. So you have clarity today. Maybe the reason why this person left you, or what happened for this for the reason for this person going in such a way, or this relationship going in such a way. So whatever happened, that truth is being revealed to you today, and you are happy for it. Finally you have the answer, guys. So finally you have the answer for your questions, the reason for this person leaving you, or the reason for the breakup. So some kind of clarity you have today, guys, Aquarius. So that is what I see with these cards, Aquarius. If you want more clarity in your situation, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right now, guys. So that may clear your doubts, Aquarius. For your love reading, guys, we have 3 cards here and 3 crystals, and it is going to be like a pick a card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, choose with these crystals or the cards, whatever comes to you first. So that card may answer your questions or clear your doubts, guys. So I will start the reading with this card. This is your first card, this is your second card, and this is your third card. So I will start the reading after a few seconds of silence, guys. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. So, for those who chose this card, the first card, guys, and this crystal, let's see what it is. We have Archangel Rahul. So it is an angel card here, guys. It just means that angels are here guiding us today. And maybe in your life today, for those who chose this card, you feel that you have been unfairly treated. Someone has wronged you in some ways, and it is really difficult for you to maintain that harmony and balance. So, however, you are trying to console yourself, let go of all that hurt. You feel really hurt and you're so much emotionally disturbed because of the way they treated you guys. And maybe for some of you, you may also be involved in some kind of a lawsuit. So some legal matters are also happening today in your life. But you need not worry, guys. This angel card is a guidance for you all. So, and the guidance is clarity of thought, and you will feel harmony in your self, guys. You will have that balanced nature. You will again have that. Maybe today you are quite emotional. Maybe you are crying. You are very much disturbed. But all that is going to resolve for you all, guys. So that is the energy with this card, and this angel card is the guidance for you all. So all your emotional disturbances, and maybe if there is some kind of a lawsuit, or if you want clarity of thought, that is what is happening today in your life today, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So what is the second card and the second crystal? For those who chose this second crystal and this card, so let's see what it is. We have Celestite. So this crystal spirit's guidance for us today is that, guys, maybe angels or that higher power or God, whatever we call it, that is helping us by whispering to us, showing us signs through people. It may be strangers or someone you barely know. So you are facing some specific challenges in your relationship, guys, and these angels are dedicated to be your friend, healer, and will do anything they can to connect you to people with gifts for you. So they are going to help you open your eyes, see the truth, and guide you in the right way, guys. So you may have people telling you some words, and that may point you, or that may give you clarity in certain things, but you need to be very attentive, guys, because angels are here guiding you. And with a simple prayer, with our honest intention to listen to them, we can invoke their blessings today, the angels' blessings in your situation. So if you are facing any challenges in your relationship, this angel spirit is guiding you to come out of that difficulty, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this second card. So let's see what is the third card. For those who chose this crystal and this card, we have chop wood. So with this card, guys, the energy is that maybe in our relationship today, nothing is more important than those simpler day-to-day activities that we do together, guys. So sometimes Not everything has to be big. We may not be achieving some big things today. And we need to understand that relationships and friendships often go through lulls, and everyday tasks are the ones that is going to create a center of awareness, and that is what is perfect for the time right now. So you need to uh, what is a don't go for huge decisions or big things right now. You just have to go for the simpler, smaller things like holding hands, reading a book together, sharing a meal, just being with this other person, spending time with them. So that is going to work in a magical way in this relationship. And just being present is going to change the way things are between you both, guys. So everything is going all right. You need to understand that, and just spending time with them is going to resolve many difficulties in this relationship for you guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys. I hope this reading resonates, guys. If it does, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.